Ayan na. Sige.
Wala na mo. Ayan na, sige, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo.
Puso babae, next. Puso babae po, dua.
Shoot! Sige na, tuloy-tuloy lang. Papasok din yan. Nakatutok!
Okay, come.
Sige.
Okay, patras.
Tapos mo yan. Yan. 1,000 tigas. Wala pa rin. At huwag itong kalimutan i-follow ang page sa tigas na Kapampangan Basketball.
Kaya tingin
Kailan niya?
Manisagan. Ay, anak na binili niya, pati ang tumira. Hindi po pare.
1,000! 1,000 pesos. Pasok ko.
Puso babae, next.
Okay.
Oh, next. Okay na, magwalas na.
Walas na. Magwalas na. Alright. Maraming salamat. Tigas na Kapampangan Basketball.
Oh, next. Puso babae. Puso babae.
Okay.
Kabari mo ako, puso babae.
Clear the court.
Puso babae, 2,000.
Hanap mo na tayo. Puso babae. 2,000 pesos.
2,000, puso babae.
Halika rito. Yan. Yan, dito ah. Yan.
Gani. Puso babae. Ayan, parang ganyan, 2,000 mamaya. Okay.
2,000. Para tigas. Malayo ata pare.
Oh, ala.
Dito, dito po. Walang kalaban. Pare, magsusundo na ako pare. Ako magsusundo. Okay. Idol, doon ka na.
2,000, puso babae.
Ito ka na.
Kasi kaya tama, boss.
Ako nang bahala.
Bakla.
Madam. Sige mo.
Oh.
Ay, gala mo na.
Ay, pare.
Ay, ano sorry to?
Agri.
Ay, pare, sorry to.
Agri, pare.
Ay,
Puso babae, may
ay, baka puso babae. Ay, alin kaya? Puso babae ito pare.
Suso yung babae, pare.
Tara. 2,000 pesos. Para sa 2,000 pesos.
Oh, 2,000.
Ay! Akalimuhan ng may santo. Baka pranya mo. Okay na yan. Ano, puso babae ito? Okay. 3 months na para.
Ano?
2,000.
2,000.
Malayo. Dito lang.
Oh.
Ako, abi yan doon.
Agri.
Ako, para.
Balo na mamang ko itatapong baka.
Sigurado ang bakla ka. Gulisan mo. Sabi mo na, bakla ko. Abalo na. Ano tayo?
Kilala niya po yan?
Julian, Pagdeli.
Baklaya po talaga?
Juliana.
Agri. Sige, kilala mo niya bakla. Baklaya talaga niya?
Sigurado na idol. Bota tayo nagtutuyan.
Agri. Kagya, gusto ko ulit ko lang mga costume ako ko lang. Wala na lang mga costume.
Oh, game. Sige, pare.
Yeah.
Sige, ay Meday. Baksak Meday. Ayaw ka, betul.
Api?
Betul, Orpi Meday.
Baklaya api? Okay, may dala niya.
Hey, coba. Nakalagay mo. Sapphire! Grabe naman pangalan na Anday. Sapphire, pag-itinan na. Itira na Anday. Ipasok ko na, 2,000
Okay.
na maraming 150 yan.
Tira. Wait, let's. 2,000.
Let's go, Anday! Sige, mga shoot, sige na. Hanggang mga shoot, sige.
2,000 pesos, free throw.
Ikaw muna,
Puso babae.
Tapos,
2,000, Rex.
sino muna.
Oh, Iga, please. Kenny.
Sino, si Jessica.
Ay, kasi lapit eh.
Hindi ka na pala,
Lapit eh. Yes.
Okay. Sige.
Sige, 2,000.
2,000!
Rex. Alala po pizza. Puso
Wala
babae.
na! Parang 2,000 yan, wala na!
Alala, puso babae, alala.
Kita! Ay. Para ingay. Iba to!
Free throw.
Oh, kaya nyo pala. Betul niya. Ibalik mo ito, para. Para kalaban. Para, ganyan na para.
Okay, sige.
Palabas pare. At nakakatawa mga 50 rin tayo. 1 minute 4:50.
Okay, back to the ball game. Rating ka na si Bangayan na kung yung punta na nyo ngayon. Yes.
Grabe yun, pare.
Ayan, wala natin ito pagpapapicture mamaya. Sigurado dyan. Open picture. Score. 41-45 with 3-4-4. Say about what you're ready. Tawa na, Vince!
Ay, ikan-ikan mo yung daw?
Oo. Matik mo yung punta pa. Okay, ready. Second half of the game for the Tigres. Kumapangan na the back culture. Ball fake. Fire. Good. Rebound for Primo Manaloto. Manaloto drive on the glass. Primo. Basket for two. Mr. Supremo ng pagpagan. Okay, wala ba yung aso?
Malapit na ako makalbira na.
Malapit lang ang pakalbira. Malapit na yung kesa ba? Oo, piyesta po din sa March 8. Kaya nakapunta ka na sa nalang. Maraming salamat kay Pang Culture and Tigres Kapampangan. Punta mo. Victor Juan, the last man. Now by number 15, Marvin Hayes. Decision time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Big Manuel is the three. Out pass. Now blind pass. Sandy Jr. The favorite scoop. Si Sandy ba yun? Bakit hindi? Si Pablo yata yun. Three-point shots. Looking by Bolina. Kenmar Bagais. Pass to number 30. Basket for two. Kaya sigurado maraming magpapapicture mamaya kaya rebound natin para kay Big Manuel. That is the foul for Manaloto. Hindi umupo na yung magandang defense niya. Tumatigas yung defense mo, Manaloto. Makaloko mo eh. Si Ariel yan eh. One of the best defensive players in the Pampanga. Ano ba ako ba? Number 3, Marvin Hayes. Now by Big Manuel. Pakasalan. Steal. Now 3. Look at Marvin Hayes. Oops, Kuya Marvin. Paano nyo si Kuya Marvin Hayes? Sa kanyang napakagandang block.
Go! Oh!
Mahal kita, Pilipinas.
Ha?
Ayan, mahal kita, Pilipinas.
Yan na. O sige, pangapagyan.
Yes,
Pauli na kayo kanina.
Sino nakaabot ng naglalaro sa
San Juan.
Good morning.
Nakitan mo ko.
Northport.
Na?
Global. Tama ba kayo, Marvin Global?
Nakitan mo ko San Juan.
Yung Global.
Nakitan mo ko San Juan. Bakit ako nang... San Juan ka eh. Wag mo.
There we go, Manaloto. Kick out from the baseline. 3.10 Marvin guys. Idol Jemar, ikaw naman ang magpapita ng babas. Eh, ito na si Jemar. Pinigyan na behind the back. Sabay parada. Ay, Maximar. Marvin Hayes gonna rebound. Now, so 6 minutes on the big clock here. Now, third quarter. Basket by number 11. And the basket for two. Si Marvin Hayes kasama si Jemar from the CM Farm. Rebound for the Maximar. Oh, Oops. Park. Ayan, sige na. Mga idol. Okay na yan, part of the basketball. Thank you very much, everyone Santos. Okay na tayo dyan, ha? Manuel. Napakasimple laro ng Vic Manuel. Foul. Ayan. Ayan, kamay na. Mamsen. Wala na, kung nilapis nga lang, wala mga extra motion mga idol ha.
Muna na, idol. Idol,
Alam naman ang mga referee natin yan. Foul number 25.
Olong
Yun
Mindanao.
naman natin yung basketball. Kunting yan lang pero kaya-kaya. Warning delay the game. 5 minutes of the game clock. Eto na ang angas ng Mindanao. Gemma Pagkais. Gemma Thunderbird. Napagod. Here now by number 25. The number 11. Give it good for June. Outlet pass. Gemma the General. It's a foul. Foul number 7, Vic Manuel. Kala mo Gemma. Ang angas ng Mindanao, Gemma Bragais. Gets fleet. Score!
48-55.
55-48, came on board the back looper with a 4 minutes on the game clock. It's the third quarter ended. 3-point shots, looking by Vic Manuel. A foul for Vic Manuel. Unlimited, kuya. Ayaw ko daw lupas na ba ang tatlo. Third personal foul. Tatlong foul na. Napatingin agad si Dowell. May status yun for the game.
Score!
3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining.
Score ka doon, score!
Score natin 55. 48, 7 points. It's a steal for the Ticas, number 13. That's the board. Basket. 55. 50. Baba na po sa libaan dito ng ating Japan Culture. Here now by Ariol and one. Get a foul. 2 shots. Foul on Santos. Foul tayo. Yeah. 2 minutes and 40. Sige, palit mo na. So, 1. Shooting 2. First a good for Manaloco.
Bogs, pasok na, Bogs!
2 out of 2. Well, 55-52. Tatlo na lang ang labang dito ng ating Japan Culture. Number 28, Patrick Santos, now to the back zone man. Here comes the screen. To Axel, man on the middle. Favorite ruled. 57, the 52 balik sa Liba Alam. Region Zapata, pass to Ariol. Manaloto, and sa airball for Ariol. Substitution, Reds, Victoria, Pablo out. Zapata Region out for Lesser and Reds. 2 minutes and 10 seconds on the game clock. This is the third quarter natin.
Kain!
Ayan, so another basket for shotgun na nag-out for block pa. Ayan, nakikita namin multiple order. Shout out to the talent. Once again, block. Number 7. Martin Rodriguez. Bullet pass, 7. 3. Let's score on the Dopa. All the foul. 57, 54, substitution. 1 minute and 45 remaining on the game clock. Laban pa rin ang ating Japan Culture dito ng tatlo. 57, 54. Kitsungwad. Pass to Pete Manuel. This is a Big goal, black for the Reds. Recover, now by Malalapo, Everyone. Now quickly deliver, Everyone drive. That's good, isa na lang. 57-56. Down one and a steal by Lancer Khan. Ball fake for the lead. Good by Nico. 1 minute. Here down third. Big Manuel. Counting down to number 28. The foul. 55 remaining. Foul number 9. 52. Isa na lang yung labang ng ating ibang culture. 57-56. And pagpaparin yung ating mga programa dito sa dating na kapistahan sa Monte Diyos. Bukas pa, tapos po yung yan din. Ayan, raffle and variety shows. Gambling tayo. 58-56 is the score. 59. 59-56. Victoria from downtown Lagoon. And that is an out of bounds for the Deshaun Lock. 27 on the big block. This Piper guys, the baby hook. Look at 20 seconds. Number 28. And I'm the Lancer. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 9, 8 seconds. Eight seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, out of our third quarter. Thank you very much from the Yaban Culture, from the management by Boss Soyla Marabe, Boss Candy Star, Boss Jan Elvane, Diane Sabrina, special participation LNG Clothing, and Headstock Supply Corporation. And of course, sa ating Itikas Kapampangan, and to our team governor, Boss Errol Lopez and Mama Aya Lopez, sa kanilang mga head coach, sa ating deputy assistant, coaches Double A lang sa mga Kingsman Pando, Jerry Vidal, Willie Leguina, and coach Jerry Bonas, ready fourth quarter. Ayan, wala lang po yung dalawang Marcelino brothers natin dahil nasa Abra. Now number 18, Mr. Hercules San Alonga po, Marvin Hayes, Marvin Castilleda. Ayan, tayo panalo dito. For the Kikas. At ang ating yapak, follow natin pa rin yung mga Facebook page ng dalawang grupo na yan. Extra draw pass. Jericho Isidro. Yung dalawa lang sila. And Jen Marapala guys. Big Manuel for 3. There was a 2 shot. They're now by Lancer Khan. Jericho Isidro. Wala power for West Victoria. Score. 60-61. Huh? The 3-4 jump on T1. They're hit. Lancer take a rebound. Nagwaras ka daw. Nagwaras ka. Jericho Isidro. Basket by Nico Santos. Cage Primor. Cage Primor. Score. 62-61. 62-61, damang na ng isa. Dito yung ating tigas sa pampangan. Foul for number 9, Rico Santos with one hit. Ano na pare? Hit for Lito Del Rosario. Follow the page of your back culture. This tayo serye na papanood ng live telecast sa kanilang Facebook page. If you want to watch the recent action, this exhibition, yung ating tayo serye from the back culture. Jericho Isidro and one basket. Ipinap na ng Jericho Isidro. Basket na nakuha ay foul for number 23. Three-point shots. Again. Here now by Vince Victoria. Isidro pass to number 4. Lasser Khan. Screen by Victoria. 40 shot clock. Vince. Again. Big Manuel na nasa man. Double team na. Itong ating nasa man. Tingnan natin. What a pass by the player of it. And that is Mr. Tingnan nyo naman yung lineup. Marcel Magat Hercules. The General, Jamar. Di makapokus sa loob. Ito si Jamar Castillena for the beat. Grabbing rebound. Lidon. Magaling dito ngayon si Lidon Del Rosario. Nagkaroon na po. Mr. Basic. Yan si Mr. Lidon Del Rosario. And Nico, the baby Hulk. Score natin. 66-67. Lead Yapak. 1 point from the Yapak. 67-66. Time remaining less 7 minutes to play here in our fourth quarter. Nakawala naman ito si Kimball. Looking for the stick down for Jericho Isidro. Isidro behind the open from the right wing. Open through the miss. That's it! Alas na pita now. Denmark Baptiste. The outlet Nico. Ganda ng pagkakato ba? Dito ni Nico. Bago ba? Magaling na player. Alam nila ang gagawin. There's 5, Big Manuel. 6 minutes and 20. We're waiting on the big clock. Mr. Basic, Lidon Del Rosario. Passing number 93. Okay. Big Manuel. The rebound. Back to Shanghai. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This is the maximum. Wala. Jericho. Exactly 6 minutes on the game clock. Isidro. Now Jenner. Hindi mo makapanood yung mga boss natin. At nasulat natin. Hindi mo makapanood yung mga boss natin. Okay ba? Mulai-mulai ka maganaw sa inyo. Kamaganaw sa inyo. 3-point shots. Pega! 3! Jericho Isidro. Bobe, now on Marvin Hayes. Marvin Hayes passes to one. Down the shot at 9, 8, 7, 6. Gets to the kitchen. Okay, Jericho Isidro. Score! 73-67, lead Peacock. Tikas na pampangan, labog na sila. 73-67. That was a 7 for the Tikas. Peter Roll. Durubolio yung Lorenzo. Tabaxman. Okay, rebound. Out of bounds. 6-point lead and 7-point leads. 6 time out. 6 is down at 73. Time remaining. 5 minutes on the big block. Marvin Hayes. Look at Denmark. From behind the back. Here it comes now. Got 10 on. Pass track to Lutz. That's a foul. 2 shots. They're going to shoot a 2 for Rex Victoria. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Lamang na ng pito, 74 to 67 is the score. Number 30, Marvin Hayes. Miss, the general of the guys is still by Mr. Basic. Ligo del Rosario, ipatawid ang bola ni Janmar. It's a foul by the lady referee, Selma Nansa. Foul number 10. .67 pre-war Portatitas, may 4 na minuto at 15 segundo ba tayo dito sa aking final quarter. Marvin Hayes, pass number 28, drive, Reavers, good for 2. Yan, unang yung player ng ating Titas, Aranda Yapak. Diversity of Dollars Bot, talaga na ba nagbigay saya sila dito sa ating barangay for this tayo serye. Pakipollow po ang page ng ating Yapak Culture. 3-point shots. We're good. That was a double foul. It's a double foul for Miko and Marvin Hayes. Okay, honorable possession kanino? Sa kabila. Yapak Culture. Basketball. And at least, ito naman para sa mga taga-Titas na Kapampangan, magandang exhibition para ng practice game na nila to na makalaban yung mga veterano ng ating Yapak Culture para sa kanilang mga darating na magagandang laban from the National Basketball League, NBL. Support ng ating Kapampangan sa liling atin. Number 10. Bragais, Janmar, the general, pass to the baby, Captain Who, set up the Pinancer, pass to Janmar, 9 on the shot clock, 8, 7, steal by Marvin Hayes, pass to Mr. Basic, then Rosario Babes, big move. Isa na lang, score 74-73, 74-73, 3 minutes remaining on the big clock here in our fourth quarter. 3 minuto matitira. Janmar from the lead, again. Offensive rebound, number 9. 3-point shots on Khan. Khan! 3! Balik sa 4 at nalaba. That was a foul push. Keep out number 3. 70. 3 to 17. 7. Big Manuel, pass the kick from Guad. That was a 2 song. 20. We're 40 on the game clock. Let's go by the baby. Captain Hook. Ito talaga nga yung exhibition na ito, kakaiba parang nag-distulang talagang dahil serye na ibinigay yung kakayanan ng bawat player from the Titas. Kanilang lakas at ating Yapak Culture, bawat galaw, bawat Yapak sinisigurado nagiging matindi yung laban. Number 26 on the move, wala rebound by Marvin Hayes. Marvin Hayes, pass number 20, and it's good. Down to 3. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is being brought to you by Salwan Burns, Salwan de Dios Fiesta 2025. Siyempre, pasalamatan tayo ng inyong barangay councils. Kaya po barangay San Juan. Number 19. Now 3. Lazar Khan. He missed. Nagpapadala ito si Mr. Basics. Woo! Isa na lang. The lead will carry the one. 10 Barbara guys. On the board, the good rebound of Nico. 10 Bar drive. Oh, the miscommunication.
77-79, 1 minute and 24.
Dalawa pa yung naman. 79 to 77.
Tigas lead.
79-77, 1 minute and 35 remaining here in our fourth quarter. Oh, the temple, Jemar. Ang angas ng Mindanao. Foul, oh, foul. Foul number 4, Lazar. Ready? Lancer, problema mo, hinapin yung pupunta ka ng gabi mo. Del Rosario. That is a 4 points isolation. Del Rosario. Tumama pa. Sige. 40 shot clock. The lead down to 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 4, Khan. Answer. We're good. Here now by number 29. Kids who wants a place. We're good. Rebound. Find there. Pinasser, Lancer. Pass to number 8. Basket. 50 seconds. Time out. Time out. Time out. Tatlo lang ang lamang. 50 seconds. Tatlo lang ang lamang. 50 seconds. Ready? Please follow our impact culture and Tikas Kapampangan. Ang ating Tikas Kapampangan para sa ating National Basketball League. And of course, yung mga tayo serye ng ating impact culture. We'd like to thank Team Yapak for the LNG Clothing and Deck Supply Corporation. 50 remaining on the game clock. 40 on the shot clock. Ayun yung sinasabi ko. Para kay Kuya Rick Manuel, the master man. Score deadlock. 55. 83. 30 seconds on the game clock. 10 more. You're good. Rebound by Rick Manuel. And now by the master man. Pass to Marvin Hayes. Marvin Hayes on the middle. You're good. Offensive rebound by Marvin Hayes. That's good. Timeout. 24 on the game clock. 2 points. 2 points. 24 on the game clock. 2 points. Team foul number 4. Parang ganun na rin yun, Kuya Marvin Hayes. Oh, minus defense na lang yan. We have a 85-83. Nalang Yapak culture. Grabe naman yung dalawang PBA player. Si Dario Losor, Big Manuel, and Marvin Hayes. Back in action. "24 seconds. Yan pa sa labangan kalabunin kaya ang Barangay Councils. To be handed by Kapitan Gary Moon. Kaya kaya mga sipag ang Kosyal. Ready, 14 seconds. 24 on the game clock. 10 seconds to differential clock to the game clock. 10 seconds difference. Wala na kayo yan. Tignan natin. 10 to 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1 to 5. Time out. Deadlock, 85. Yan, sakto, mag-stop ako ng 4. Galing 14, 10, down by from the 24. We have only 14, sakto na lang. Ganda. Deadlock. Ika-countdown na lang natin ito, 14 seconds. Both teams. At dito, nasa 30 count pa lang ang tigas. Nasa fourth personal, 1 pick up na fourth penalty na yan. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Deadlock. 85. Oh, 40 seconds. Tignan natin. Dito naman kakahala. 40. At 12. Nanako pa! By the Japan Culture for that 2 seconds play. 12 seconds remaining. Wow, 2 seconds play, set up 14. Galing naman ang Japan Culture. 12 remaining. Tignan naman natin ang galing ng tikas by Coach Terry Flores and Coach Double A. Magsamahan na. Ito na tagal yung play na yan. Yan, once again, salamat po. Barangay Matang Barangay Council, Quezon Committee, paniwala na po Cap Gary Humol, Consyal Totoy Bato, Consyal Owing Pascual, Consyal Rick Pagyo, Consyal Dan Enriquez, Consyal Bong Sumonte, Consyal Jen Rodriguez, and Consyal Alan Duque, Secretary Diana Alupe, Treasurer Annalisa Pagyo, Barangay Katapong mga sipag na PHW, Apo po Barangay Katapong Batay Bayan, Katapong Batay Bayan. Ready? 12 seconds! 12 seconds remaining. 12 seconds, 87, 85, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. Out of bounds, 2 seconds. One, okay, congratulations. Maraming salamat po sa ating Tikas Kapampangan by Boss Errol and Ma'am Aya Lopez. Sa mga bumubuo ng Tikas Kapampangan, maraming salamat. And of course, sa ating hip-hop culture. And sa ating hip-hop culture by Ma'am Soyla Marabit, Boss Ken Discar, Boss John Elfane, and Boss Dean Zabili, special participation MNG Clothing and Desktop Supply Corporation. And picture na. And mga players po natin ng Tikas Kapampangan at ng ating Yapak Culture, may ready po pagkain ang ating mga councilor. Ayan. Sama-sama lang po tayo pumunta doon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.